Hello and welcome to the video Teamcenter Searches. The following video is aimed to all users who search for objects in Teamcenter for further use in the PLM process. It shows the practical application of the various searches in Teamcenter. The following search methods are presented to you: the quick search, the advanced search, the extended multi-application search, the classification search, and search objects. Concluding, you will learn more about preferences of Teamcenter searches. The quick search. The quick search input field can be found at the upper edge of the navigation menu on the left. After entering a unique item ID and performing a quick search, the found item is opened in a new tab. After a search using wildcards, asterisk replaces any number of characters and question mark replaces a single character, or if there are several matches, these are shown in the result dialog that indicates the number of hits. If there is no access to the target objects as parts from another owning group, these are not shown, but the total number remains unchanged. The target objects can then be highlighted and, via the buttons above the hit list, copied, or an individual object can be displayed in My Teamcenter. The next or previous hits page, or all hits, can be loaded using the buttons on the bottom right. The drop-down list next to the search allows other values to be searched for, or the advanced search to be opened. Best practice process: start search, analyze results, open objects in My Teamcenter for further use. The advanced search. The advanced search is either started via a button of the quick search entry advanced, or via the magnifying glass icon in the toolbar. The advanced search template item revision then opens. You can change the advanced search default template in the preferences. As a rule, the personal data owning user and owning group is often displayed when opening or switching to another search template. However, if you want to search for objects from other owners or groups, you can use the eraser button to do this by deleting the form entries. When selecting the type, it is important to note that most object types begin with S underline or S4 underline, e.g. S underline part, with only a few exceptions such as AUD project and AUD project folder. When selecting the release status, make sure that either the correct title of the status value is used, e.g. material specification released for commercial parts, or the selection is made using wildcard characters. The sort button can be used to define the sort order of the number of hits. The execute button generates the hit list in a separate tab, Search Results. In fields permitting multiple entries such as item ID or type, multiple values can be entered separated by semicolons, or multiple list values can be selected while holding down the Control key. They are ultimately displayed in the form field again, separated by the separator. The character of the separator can also be changed in the preferences. After defining the search parameters, you can now perform the search. The search results. Use Previous Page and Next Page buttons to load the next or previous 30 hits, according to preferences. Or load all for all datasets. The Display Previous Searches drop-down list is used to switch between open searches or close them. By selecting the search results object and simultaneously activating the details view, the displayed objects are displayed in the details view and further filtered through the filter management button, or more column definitions are created or applied via the view menu button. The data can thus be sorted or filtered several times, and the information displayed can be copied to the clipboard. Filter management. With the Filter Management button, the displayed data can be further filtered in great detail. For example, to display only a certain type of revision of a certain owner. This can be set up with the Type option. Column configuration. The View menu button allows the displayed columns to be configured, saved, called again, and, for example, data to be copied to the clipboard. Via the drop-down list, select a search. You can select the searches General, e.g. search for owned folders, Item, search for object items, e.g. as plant or as package objects, Item Revision, the generally set advanced search template, and other favorites you set, as well as many other templates with only a few clicks. Searches via several linked tables can mainly be found under Find in the More area. For example, the searches Find Part, Part with Product, and its simple variant with which the S part can be searched for by MLFB, Machine Readable Product Designation. Searches via the object attribute are primarily found under Search in the More area. Here, for example, the S product can be searched for by MLFB. The extended multi-application search. Within Advanced Search, the extended multi-application search drop-down list in the upper right can be opened and used to add further classification features to the existing search. The desired target class is selected with the class selection in the dialog that now opens. The search attribute is selected by clicking on the class name. The logic operator and the search value are then editable. The selected class and other attributes that are added are displayed at the bottom of the extended search. Here, the attributes can also be changed. The classification search. The classification application can be displayed in the navigation bar. It can be used to perform the classification search. In the classification application, after selecting a class, more search attributes can be entered or a value can be selected by clicking on the list of values on the right side. After executing the search, the individual objects can be displayed using the navigation buttons or in tabular form. The Clear button resets the search values. For further data filtering, the hit list can be copied to my Teamcenter. Search objects. The Search Objects dialog is suitable for the case where colleagues supply Teamcenter objects in the form of an Excel list with A5E numbers. The search is opened using the Tools menu item and supplied the specified objects quickly and easily in Teamcenter. For this purpose, the values from the Excel worksheet should be simply copied to the Search Objects dialog and the search started with the Search Objects button. The results are then displayed on the right bottom of the secondary area in a separate tab. The Preferences. Preferences are accessed via the drop-down list at the top right in the Advanced Search screen. After selecting the top item search, it can be specified on the right-hand side whether upper and lower case is relevant, that via the entry Windows style, the wildcards asterisk and question mark to replace any number of characters or exactly one character are used, which separator is to be used when multiple values are entered, and which search template opens by default when the advanced search is called. Results is used to specify how many searches stay open and how many are loaded and displayed. The search history can also be deleted. The most important search templates can be selected in the favorites and appear when you click directly on the template list. The display order can be changed with the arrow keys on the top right. This has been the short introduction to the search applications in IEC Teamcenter. Thank you for watching the video. The team training wishes you success in your work with Teamcenter.